We're excited to have Dr. Doris Day back on Good Day New York. By the way, congratulations. Voted by Newsweek, the #1 dermatologist in New York City.
Thank you.
Third in the country, but #1 in New York City. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Well, you are on the cutting edge, but you're also very safe and conservative.
I'm appropriate. So people use the word conservative, but I like to think that appropriate is the best way to go. We can always do more, and it's about balance and looking like the best version of yourself, but not different.
So I love the book, Rebooting the Biome, and you talk about different things to do in the seasons. It's summertime. What are some fun things that we could do this summer that might help, you know, when we have that strapless, cute little, dress on?
Well, there's a lot that we can do, and I like to think we're at next level skincare, next level treatments, and that means that we're paying attention to the microbes in our skin, we're curating them, not annihilating them, and that's really the focus of the book, is all the little microbes, the bugs that live in your skin, and when you feed them right, they will make antioxidants. They will help with wrinkles and evening out skin tone and reducing redness. And then there's products you can use as well, which are great to use in the summer for face and body that we'll go through. But in terms of in-office treatment, for me, Sofwave is next level treatments.
What exactly is the Sofwave treatment?
Sofwave uses parallel beam ultrasound technology. They call it superb because it's synchronous ultrasound parallel beam technology. So it goes through the layers of the skin, and what it does is it helps lift. So if you want brows lifted, jaw lifted, neck lifted, all of that, even for cellulite, it helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. I do it for the arms to reduce the appearance of that crepiness and help kind of lift the skin, and that helps the skin look younger and actually feel better.
How many treatments do you need to get that desired effect?
Well, it depends on how much laxity you have. That if you're stimulating collagen and somebody who's younger who can have that lifting effect even before they realize that things are coming down, by the time you see something happening, it's been in the works for years. So if I can be ahead of the game and start to help with that lifting before it's really visible, you're going to get the compliment every year that how come you're older but you still look the same.
What else is available this summer?
So there's other things like Vanquish. Vanquish can help reduce body fat without any pain and without that risk of the paradoxical adipocyte hyperplasia, the fibrotic fat that can sometimes happen after some of the cold treatments that try to freeze the fat. With Vanquish, it uses multipolar radio frequency and doesn't even touch the body. There's no pain involved. It's just a warm sensation. And that over 6 treatments, you can do 2 a week, will help reduce the fat. And I always combine it with proper diet and exercise.
And I know that's not all that you have here.
No, we have 30 different devices here. So in my humble little office, I will pick things very selectively to offer the best results for my patients.
I hear you also have something called Elevai.
Elevai is a home treatment, and this is the beginning of next level skincare. So this is umbilical sourced, ethically sourced umbilical exosomes. And when you get something that's freshly born, essentially, and you deliver those peptides and stem cells and growth factors, when you apply that to the skin, we'll use it right on top of Sofwave. We'll use it right on top of our lasers and other treatments to help nourish the skin, to not just get the benefit of the device, but actually amplify the benefits and reduce the downtime. Another product that I have is Elastin Transform, and this has their specific peptide. It's called Trihex, their combination of peptides, and it works amazingly well for crepey skin on the arms. When we do it with Vanquish, we get even better results in the fat melting from Vanquish. It's really remarkable how much this helps, but even using it independently, I have patients using it on their neck and their décolleté and their arms, even before treatments and around treatments. So this is one that has sort of taken off in the office, and I often combine it with something I made because there wasn't a good body retinol available, and so I made one. And this one has a great retinoid called hydroxypinocolone retinoate, HPR. I call it a high-powered retinol, and it also has a little bit of salicylic acid for exfoliation, and that's also a humectant, and has vitamin C and peptides as well.
The bottom line for taking care of your skin in the summer is
See your dermatologist, make a summer plan. Know that there's treatments that are safe to do in the summer that can help from head to toe to help you have the body and the face and put your best self forward. And combine that with a healthy diet, get enough sleep, drink enough water, think good thoughts. All those things make a big difference.
Thank you for all the wonderful advice, Dr. Day. Appreciate it. Her office is on the Upper East Side. Good Day, New York. Coming right back.